Hello viewers, welcome back to another video. So this video is so much interesting because I will show in this video how can you make a website without knowing coding. So first of all, you have to search Google ChatGPT. After that, this website will be come. Then click here, introducing ChatGPT. So after that, you will redirect to this website. Then click try ChatGPT. So after that, this type of interface you will show. Now here you can see send a message, and here you can see new chat. You can see here clear conversation. So now type here sorry, write a HTML code for a simple website. After that, click here. Now you can see here some coding are coming, are generating some coding. Wait few seconds. So now we can see here HTML has been done. You can see here the HTML code has been done. So if you want to add more, simply type here now click here. So you can see here it's generating again. It's almost done. It's done. So here we can see the CSS code is generating here. This is HTML and this is CSS. So here done, everything is done. Now you have to just copy from here and copy from here. After copying this, you can easily use this code on your website to make your website so much interesting. So this is the first part of how to make a website without knowing zero coding knowledge. So I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel, and I will upload more this kind of video. Thank you.